welcome to the first video tutorial for Intro to Dragon. In this video, we are going to set up the Dragon code, which is a software that is used to solve the neutron transport equation. The first thing we need to do is install Cygwin, a Linux-like environment that can be used for Windows. You can download Cygwin from their website, www.cygwin.com. Make sure you download the 32-bit version, as the 64-bit one will not compile Dragon properly because it cannot access the libraries. After downloading the installer, open it up and follow the instructions. Here, we need to select a few extra libraries to install: GCC Core, GCC Fortran, and the G-Fortran library. Once those have been selected, press Continue and wait for the installation to complete. Next, we need to download the files for the Dragon code and the WLUP library. The WLUP library contains the information for the materials that can be used in the Dragon calculations. To find the files, visit this website. Follow this link. There is an option at the top of the page to change the language to English if you want. The files we want to download are the Dragon 3060.tgz and the wlup.tgz files. TGZ files are compressed tar archives, which are often used for software distribution purposes. After those files have been downloaded, you want to open the Cygwin terminal, then move the files you downloaded to where Cygwin has been installed, to the folder that should be named after your username. The steps we will be taking to install Dragon are outlined in a text file called readme306lo, which can be downloaded from the Dragon website. Now we are going to type the following: gunzip wlup.tgz. This command decompresses the file into the .tar format. Next, tar space xf space wlup.tar. This command is used to extract all the files from the tar archive. Next, we will use the cd command to change directories into the wlup folder, then again to the source folder. Next, we will use gfortran.exe to compile willy.f. gfortran is a Fortran compiler. The reason we do this is because the .f file is Fortran source code, and we need to compile it into an executable. Now what you need to do is open up the wlup folder, then sources, and here you will find a file called a.exe. This file needs to be renamed to willy.exe. Now back in the terminal, type cd space chmod 755 create bin. What this does is grant access permission to the create bin file, allowing it to read, write, and create files. Now type /create bin, and this will format all the libraries into a format that is accessible by the Dragon code. After the libraries have been set up, we are now going to install Dragon. To do this, follow the commands I am typing. Here it is going to ask you to type Y or N for yes or no to install the WLUP libraries. It will then ask for the location of the WLUP folder. If you placed the files in the same places shown in this video, the location of the WLUP folder should be in /home/ and the name of your username. Press enter and everything should be finished installing. Now that Dragon is installed, I'm going to move an input file that I've already created into the sources folder. And then in the Cgwin terminal, also in the sources folder, type /run dragon, then the name of the input file. This will conclude how to install Dragon.